Judy, right now, former Sangamon County Sheriff's Deputy Sean Grayson remains behind bars in the Macon County Jail. The question at hand now, and currently under consideration by the Illinois Supreme Court, should he be allowed out of jail under Illinois' Pretrial Fairness Act?
What evidence should we be looking at for the issue that is before us, whether there are any conditions to mitigate risk?
The state's highest court is stepping in to determine whether or not Sean Grayson should remain behind bars until his trial for the shooting death of Sonia Massey last July. Massey was killed when Grayson and other sheriff's deputies responded to her 911 call about a possible intruder.
This is someone who acts impulsively. This is someone who has terrible judgment. And if they cannot comply with basic expectations of society, which is not to escalate situations to this degree, then we cannot expect them to comply with conditions of release.
Illinois Assistant Attorney General Michael Sabula argued Massey was polite and cooperative throughout the encounter and did nothing to justify Grayson's use of deadly force. Sabula also said Massey only went to the stove to remove the boiling pot of water at Grayson's request, and because of the distance between the two, presented no threat.
If you act in the spur of the moment and you're not deterred by a law enforcement officer literally standing next to you, you can't come to court and say you will be deterred by a system that just keeps track of your GPS location.
Meanwhile, Grayson's defense has pointed to his behavior after the shooting, saying he cooperated with the investigation and turned himself in within 30 minutes of the issuance of the indictment.
These are not the actions of somebody who will not comply with conditions. Mr. Grayson wants his day in court, and he does not want to jeopardize his credibility or anything related to what will happen at trial.
The Illinois Supreme Court did not rule on whether Grayson should be granted pretrial release today. His trial is scheduled to begin in October. A judge ruling to move the trial from Sangamon County to Peoria County because of, quote, intense publicity.